so I'm going to show you how to refit your lace, especially your curly one. So I'm going to show you how to keep your wig on and don't let it be snatched. This hair is from KLAIYI Hair. It is 22, 22, 24, 24 and a 20-inch frontal, which you can see here. This wig was made for me by Breeny Hair. I'll leave her details right here. You can check her out. She resides in East London if you're looking for a wig maker in East London. So I'm going to get started. So she's already plucked the lace, but this color isn't a good match. It's a little bit gray, as you can see. So this is a trick for you guys. You're going to take your foundation. I am using Fashion Fair because I believe it's like dark enough. So you're going to take your foundation and you just want to color it. You can see, just color it. So you just want to mainly put it at the front. Of course you can put it here because you're going to want to part your hair or whatever. And you can always be sure that you're going to get a perfect match for your skin tone. You heard? Guys, leave any questions that you have about lace frontals and wigs and stuff below. And I'm gonna check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. I stick this down. So you're gonna need a tights. So literally cut the whole leg off of your tights. And then you're gonna need some clips, your trusted got2b glue, and some wipes. You're gonna need to cut this bit off. So I'm gonna cut all around here. So you want to see where this line is on your ear, and you want to cut right there. Give it a little bit of room. So this is going to make it sit down here. Bingo. So one thing as well, you don't have to glue your frontal down, but I feel like for that melt look, you do want to glue it down. So I want my frontal to sit. This hair's actually really nice now that I'm playing with it. I'm going to pull this back, take my wipe. I'm also going to take all the makeup off my forehead because you don't want your makeup and the gel mixing together. So you want to take that off your forehead. Take the glue off of the rest of your hair. And you just want to lay it. Can you see my makeup there? That's just my makeup coming off, so don't worry about that. You want to tie it as tight as possible. So the tighter it is the more that it's going to lay flat. It's going to give you a headache, by the way. Also, when you sleep, you want to tie it like this as well. So you want to leave this on for about 25 minutes. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this hair to dry or set, I usually have a spray bottle. I thought I packed it with me, but I left it at home. So I'm going to take the Tresemme and I'm going to pour it in here. I'm going to pour it in this bottle. The conditioner keeps the hair soft, perfect for curly hair. I'm gonna put some more water in it because this is looking really thick. So this is the hair with conditioner and this is it without. So I'm gonna finish and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take this off now and see what we got. So yeah, this is the finished look. So far, so good. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, the longest inch is 24 inches. I didn't want to go super long because I know when you're on holiday, you don't want like super long hair. You don't want hair to be one of your problems. It's already hot. I probably should have gone 26 if I'm being honest with you for the look that I'm going for. But I like this because it feels very natural, you know. So it's just like a really like simple wig that you can take on holiday with you. I'll tell you the price. It is literally $244, which is £167, which is pretty good for a wig that looks like this. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna come back in about 4 days and let you know how I'm getting on. But so far I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is day 4, so I've come back to give you an overview of the hair. So this is how the hair is normally. I haven't done anything to it today. I haven't brushed it or anything. So literally woke up, did my makeup, and this is how it is. So the hair doesn't stay wet like it was before, so I have to keep conditioning it. So if you're gonna have curly hair, make sure you have conditioner and a water bottle mixed in, and just be able to just like soak it. So it does look really nice when it's wet, as you saw, but this is how it will look naturally. But I think it's still really nice. I haven't had that much shedding. The lace still looks really, really good. I don't know if it's because I'm in a hot country, but the lace doesn't want to stay down. It doesn't want to stick down for a long time. So apart from that, so far so good. I genuinely like the hair. I just wish that it was probably a little bit longer, but that's my bad. But the hair itself, the quality is amazing. It looks jet black as well. So if I was to rate this hair, I would definitely give it a strong 8 out of 10. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more hair reviews like this, where I wear the hair and then come back in a few days or weeks and give it an update, but this hair is actually really, really, really genuinely nice. So this hair is by KLAIYI Hair. I'll leave all the information in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.